If you are interested in smoothing out lines and wrinkles that you might be noticing in the mirror, if you're also interested in slowing down the rate at which these are forming, then I'm going to tell you that there are 3 natural ingredients I will very highly recommend. The first ingredient is wheat germ oil. It is nourishing, it is repairing to your skin, it has natural vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, so it protects your skin from future damage. The second ingredient is naturally derived vitamin C, is a powerful antioxidant and protects your skin. In addition to that, it also helps build collagen. The third ingredient is turmeric. It is a very powerful antioxidant with components like curcumin in it. Okay, next up I'm going to show you our ROOP Saffron Bright Skin Potion Duo. It's a night and day serum, and these products are made with very powerful Ayurvedic ingredients like saffron, like turmeric, like Manjistha. So you can use 2 or 3 drops of the ROOP Day Serum in the morning before you go to bed. Apply Mega Glow Night Potion. They will have your skin's needs covered for 24 hours. They are made with high quality, top performing Ayurvedic ingredients that have been known for thousands of years to work wonders for your skin. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to follow my page. If you have a certain skin concern or a skin goal, don't be shy. Use the comments field below and talk to me. Tell me what your question is. Finally, if you would like a personalized skin or hair care consultation, just send me an email or you can even message us and I'll be very happy to help.